Hello, painty peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. Forgive my voice. This girl is caught something hanging out with some runny nose grandbabies during the holiday. And I always tend to bring something back. So I'm going to talk kind of quick so you don't have to listen to this scratchy voice. One of my patrons and my friend and a talented artist has a creative monthly club. This is Tammy DeCaro Art. And if you don't know Tammy DeCaro, head over to her channel, show her some love. She's talented, does beautiful resin work, does big art. And I love this little thing and I wanted to show it to you. It's for testing your consistency, which I still do every once in a while, especially if I am using different types of paints, some fluid paints, medium body paints, heavy body paints. You got to get them all right down to the correct consistency or a similar consistency, and I am using all those things today. We're going to be doing, and guys, forgive me, I don't know all the names of the techniques. I'm going to be dirty cupping and layering and dirty cupping in this cup and flipping it and leave some negative space, and I'm going to be doing a dirty flippy cuppy kind of pour today leaving some negative space on this wonderful, wonderful gallery wrapped 14 by 14 canvas from Michael's. Bought on sale, don't you know? But I wanted to go ahead and check my consistency. So I'm going to take a minute and lay these paints down and give them a try. Now this is our base coat, and I like my base coat color to be a little bit thinner than my pour paints, so this one will probably run a little bit faster. But yeah, this was a part of my creative monthly club. I get things in the mail once a month, some wonderful t-shirts, some tools, and lots of good information. So Tammy DeCaro Art Creative Monthly Club. Check it out, because she's not only a talented artist, she's good people and she works hard. So let's give that a tilt. Well, that looks pretty darn good. I might add just a mist of water here in this color and possibly in the pearl white. Let's take a look. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I wipe this off immediately. If you let it dry, it's kind of difficult to take it off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Then I'm going to wipe it off. And then let's go ahead and talk about our colors really quick. We have Amsterdam acrylics, and this is the turquoise green. Now, all the colors will also be listed in the description box below. Golden acrylics, heavy body in the iridescent pearl. This is a combination of Amsterdam olive green light, and I put a few squirts of one of my favorite paints, golden fluids, in the green gold. This is golden fluids in the Viridian green hue of fluid paint. This is Amsterdam Standard Series in the sky blue light. And one of the prettiest blues out there, Amsterdam acrylics, and this is the greenish blue. Now our base coat is slop bucket paint. What is that? That's just leftover drippings and whatnot from other pours. Different whites are in here, maybe some pearl white, some titanium white. Yeah, maybe some Vallejo pearl medium. Now, if I need it, another slop bucket paint. This is just some leftover blues, drippings, and whatnots left over from other paintings. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off my consistency chart. Consistency chart. Get my canvas ready, and we're going to do a fun little pour, guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's get busy.
66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated